Hello everyone, welcome to Tech It Simple. Today's video is about how to log into Kiwi Bank account. Kiwi Bank is a subsidiary of state-owned enterprise in New Zealand. It provides services like personal banking, business banking and international services too. If you have an account on Kiwi Bank and you want to know how to log into your account from your device for online banking and stuff, then in this video, we are going to teach you how to do it. So first of all, go to a web browser on your device and then tap on the search box at the top and you can type Kiwi Bank login. On the search results you can see login Kiwi Bank, just tap on it. So here you are in the login page of Kiwi Bank. For internet banking, you just need your access number and your password, then you can move forward for internet banking on Kiwi Bank, so enter your access number. Next you need to enter your password. Now after you are done, you can tap on log into internet banking, then you will be successfully logged into your Kiwi Bank account on your device and you can start your internet banking from anywhere, anytime on your device. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Do like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more upcoming tutorials.